The benefits of soft workouts and how to do them. 1. Soft workouts definition. Soft workouts emphasize a gentler and enjoyable approach to exercise, focusing on low-impact movements and overall well-being. 2. Versatility of soft workouts. They encompass various activities like stretching, 10-minute Pilates sessions, walking, or any non-strenuous approach, adaptable to different fitness levels. 3. Customizable intensity. Despite being low impact, soft workouts can be as challenging or relaxed as desired, offering high-impact results in a shorter time frame. 4. How to begin soft workouts. Recommendations include 20 to 30-minute Pilates or yoga sessions, 30 minutes of brisk walking daily, and 10 to 15 minutes of daily stretching with a focus on major muscle groups. 5. Benefits of soft workouts. Injury prevention and recovery. Ideal for preventing injuries and aiding recovery, especially for those with limited mobility. Flexibility and balance. Focus on improving joint mobility, reducing injury risk, and maintaining balance, essential for aging individuals. Stress reduction. Combining low-impact movement with intentional breathing resets the nervous system, promoting mental well-being. Consistency improvement. Easy accessibility, adaptability, and minimal barriers make soft workouts suitable for all fitness levels. 6. Downsides of soft workouts. Limited cardiovascular and muscle strengthening impact compared to high-intensity exercises. Possible progress plateaus if exclusively relying on low-intensity activities, necessitating variety in the routine for continued advancement. 7. Expert recommendations. Soft workouts are encouraged as part of a well-rounded routine that includes cardio, strength training, core exercises, and stretching for optimal results. Consistency is emphasized for both physical and mental rewards. One sentence's summary. Soft workouts offer a gentler, enjoyable, and customizable alternative to intense exercises, promoting injury prevention, flexibility.
If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and join our social media handle.